Hello, my dear student and all the aspirant of Purvostoli to Government ITI. Myself, Arindam Samanto, instructor of Electrician Department in Purvostoli to Government ITI. Now, our procedure in e-learning processing. It is the advanced procedure of education system in this situation. Today, we are discuss about passive component. Today we are discuss about passive component. So what is passive component? The circuit using electrical or electronics are made by assembly of electronics or electrical component. That is, these components are broadly classified in two categories. Today we are discuss about active component and passive component. Active component includes like active components includes like diode, transistor, current source, voltage source, etc. And passive components are resistor, capacitor, etc. Passive component are resistor, capacitor, etc. Inductor. Okay. Today we are discuss about resistor. Generally, materials having characteristic behavior, resisting of flow of electric charge, resisting the flow of electric charge. So what is current? What is current? Current means it is the flow of electron. It is the flow of electron. Current means it is the flow of electron. And what is voltage? It is the effect. It is the effect of flow of current. Means voltage is the force. Voltage is the force in electrical terms. Okay. So resistor, it is resisting the flow of electric ion. The physical property or ability to resist current is known as resistance. Okay. The type of resistor, depending upon the materials or construction, resistor are of two types. A carbon resistor, Number 2, iron resistor. So carbon resistor. So carbon resistor is formed by mixing fine carbon or graphite powder. Carbon resistor is mixing fine carbon or graphite powder with suitable insulator and bonding agent. The main advantage of this type of resistor that it is available in the market. Carbon resistor is available, low cost, it is very durable, low cost, durable, it is mass temperature sensitive, okay. But fixed resistor, the paste formed by mixing carbon powder and bonding agent. The carbon resistor is mixed powder of carbon. Okay. So resistor, inductor, capacitor, these are passive component. Okay. Today discuss point is resistor. Resistor are two types, carbon resistor and wiring resistor. Now today we are discuss about carbon resistor. Carbon resistor advantage, it is available in the market, it is low cost and it is durable and it is mass temperature sensitive. Okay. It is mixing of carbon powder. The resistor made in the range of carbon resistance range 1 mega ohm, 1 ohm to 20 ohm, 20 mega ohm available in the market. Okay, thank you. Today and the wattage part is 1 watt to 2 watt, and the color code bands denote the value of fixed resistor. Okay, next day discuss about Arduino resistor. Thank you.